Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is the Martin Yale 1217A auto folder. The 1217A auto folder can perform 6 different types of paper folds, each with their own unique applications. Here's how it works. The first step is setting up the fold type by lining up the paper stops on both the front and rear fold tables. You can use the folding chart on the exit tray for easy reference. Next, adjust the paper guides on the feed table assembly to the desired paper type to be folded. Make sure to first jog and fan the paper before placing it into the feed table assembly. Finally, turn on the machine by pressing I parentheses on the rocker switch for momentary on-off operation and I for continuous operation. For reverse operation, press and hold both rocker switches where indicated on the machine. The unit will begin folding and ejecting the folded paper out through the front and collect it into the exit tray. Take on bigger folding jobs by adding the Martin Yale 1217A auto folder to your cart today.